Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho.
You know, say this ho, 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 way you just talk now. Now lack of waiting to talk.
No be lack of waiting.
I swear I swear by this show. Now lack of waiting to talk.
Not the swear. It's too early to start
now lack of
the
waiting
year
to talk.
by
Now make it
swearing.
talk this ho, 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 ho,
No, ho, ho, ho. Now for the Christmas moves. Not they talk this. You know see my red.
In January.
You know see the red inside too.
In January. This thing are just afterthought. You just look around, just say, what if you support this my own movement? Now you God lost sense too much for you.
You know just believe
too much for you, this guy.
See, you know just believe in my ability to be, you know, prepared for my foolishness.
Eh?
You know, sometimes before you do mumuti, you go first think no, before you get you don't get any reason to do the mumuti, no, but just think and say, let me just do anyhow. You know, then at the mood where I be doing when I do the ho 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 ho.
So I just want to tell you that today, I came to the office premises with rollers on my head.
Rollers?
Yes.
Now that's what they roll for hair?
Yes, with rollers for my head. And now when I want to enter the studio for this particular show, now here I come out.
So
this is a product of my road. No, don't do that.
Why?
I know you. You are about to
No. I want pamparam now. Not be like this thing they bounce like this.
Yes.
Bounce. You don't just trust me for anything.
Today, all around you is just doing not trusting.
They will not trust you. They will not trust you.
He is so upset. Okay, welcome to Paddy Paddy Show.
Yay!
Thursday, a day to my favorite day, which is a Friday. I am so excited because all this calling one that they call here, you understand? In preparation for Friday.
Friday under the duvet. She don't go anywhere. Friday, my favorite day. Her favorite day now under the duvet. They watch Telemundo. Finish.
What? Excuse me? I watch what?
What Telemundo?
Is it my fault that I like? Is it my fault that I like love stories?
She like all this love story, all this, you know, happily ever after gist, you know. Now, woman say all of una sha, but many of una no can't get the mind to do the full thing.
What do you mean?
Una like to watch the thing, but I don't feel become that thing.
What do you mean?
Now they pay me.
Are you saying we're not watching by example?
Now they watch by example. Now they watch by.
You just follow me talk. I don't talk nonsense. Now you follow me talk.
No, because I understand that thing from another angle. Watching by example. Watching by example no make sense. No, now they watch by fantasy.
What?
Watch on fantasy.
Fantasize while watching.
So now they say, as they say, does it carry phone? Call their boyfriend. Hello, idiot. Mona Lane, let just to switch from it. Okay. If I talk, pretend.
Okay, I'm about to pretend. Sweethearts, should we go on a break now?
Yes, let's go. We've not said hello to them yet.
I tell them, say, they're welcome to the show. Today, now Thursday, where you put your ear. I put plenty powder for my face. Bless it, did not enter my nose.
You don't ever take snuff before?
No.
You don't start.
Hey, the powder! Oh!
You are started to take a snuff.
Shut up your might.
Otaba.
That's what your granddaddy do.
No, my grandma, but the son of my neighbor.
That's what
my
your
neighbor
do.
That year they do You know, the guy will say, "We can go bring Otaba inside room." Otaba.
So, I'm about to give you my first gist for the day.
Yan.
In a gangster mood.
Word.
So I just want to tell you that the world's oldest man is aged 131 years old. Then discover, say, they live with his wife, where they're 69 years younger than him. Now, 131 minus 69. Wait. 100 minus 60 is how many?
40.
Is how many?
40.
30 minus 9 is how many? 21. Add 1 to it.
22.
22 plus 40.
22
62.
plus 40, 62.
The wife years is 62 years old.
Wow.
Yes.
Mathematician.
Hey!
Don't
try me. Now, the civil servants in Brazil, they talk and discovered the world's oldest man, a 131-year-old dad of 3, where they live with wife, where they're 69 years old, younger than Ram. That means she's 62 years old. Now, the Guinness Book of Record don't recognize 112-year-old Yasutaro Koide from Japan as the oldest man alive. You know, so we'll be talking. And French woman Jane Calment, who died at the age of 122 in 1997. Now, social security worker for inside ASA for the north of Brazil, can't talk, say, OAP Jao Cello, the Zozoe. Along, they say they see picture of him with him birth certificate when they born him for March 10, 1884.
Wow. Wow.
Now this man, they say he don't old. Where. In they live with a granddaughter of 16 years old. And the daughter can't come out, can't talk, say, now, if they live with a granddaughter of 16 years old, his daughter selling soza.
Na name.
If his age was right, wow, that means say he was 101 years old when he born in daughter of 30 years old. We get the 16-year-old daughter. He gets daughter of 30 years old.
Yes.
And in granddaughter now 16. That means he had his daughter when he was 101 years old.
Now what? At 101, that means Sarah for Bible they learn.
I don't understand.
No.
I didn't really understand.
I'm not sure saying that.
But anyway, back and forth. Back and forth. What they try talk now? They say the man don't reach. Say no, they recognize anybody.
I don't reach
you know
where
they recognize
you
anything.
now. You don't reach where you go the off.
You know they know it depends on people for everything. You don't old.
Some people
they talk
you
say
will live old.
Some people they talk say you're not too good to grow old like that. Others they talk say no, it's an amazing thing. You know, mixed feelings.
That's why when you're young, no they chop anyhow. They do exercise very well. You know, see people when they old, way at 101, I know person of 100 years old.
Even I know somebody of 102 years old right now.
Get himself.
Yeah.
You never lose memory.
Baba,
but
they call him Baba Baba still they drive. Now in Pikin said, Baba, now waiting. Now waiting, leave this model car. He said, no, more body me what agile.
I know the one of like 100 with the now old soldier with the collar. You see the work they do. If you see where people they fight, only go tell them, no, that is wrong. But see the work is true. You know like the time motor, he go old soldier now they call her because when he young, he don't use him, but he do gig. That's why we young now. You know, so that when you reach like 100, say God carry you reach 100, for example, you know, you go see the agile.
And you need to know
now
that
you start.
Yeah.
To keep yourself.
It's not really by the hard work, labor at work, or anything where you do. No, it's by what you eat and how you live
how you take
your
care
life.
of yourself.
Honestly, how you take care of yourself. Meanwhile, moving on, talking about the next J's, I'm going to introduce it to you. Homeless couple.
Hey.
They respect you. They try for you. They help you. Say Christmas. Make them do you something good. Homeless couple, they put on for good hotel. You know what those couples do? Ogbolo, tell them.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, after they don't do all the good for them, one couple schools just sit down and say, okay, make we do good for another couple school. So
when they're homeless.
When they're homeless. Now they gather different money from different people's hand. They put information for us. They say, make us help this homeless. Make them enjoy Christmas in the Christmas mode. As that time reach, no matter what they talk the story, they put by your face for
You're feeling me.
For this,
feeling myself.
Come on, that glass for your eye.
Feeling
These camera boys, all these camera boys, none of they do anyhow. You start the year with Lost, you will continue the year with Lost.
Feeling myself.
So based on the gist now, they come they help the homeless couple. And they come arrange hotel for them, do different things for them, give them small money. See, we not stay for this hotel, we not deal okay, we not deal all right. My men and brethren,
in the Lord.
When they come finish, see gifts, they give them gifts, even for their dogs, they even give gifts for their dogs. Different things. When couple finish with the hotel finish, now they just walk out, they go out. Thank you very much, and they go out. When people they will come help them, come reach the hotel. If you say they turn the hotel upside down.
I'm telling you, they don't break everything.
They break everything.
They won't commot the TV from the wall. They don't tear the duvet.
They rock, they don't turn it upside down.
As me and you, they talk like this. The people will help them. They don't give them with debt. They don't leave them with
1,000 pounds.
You can imagine.
What of debt?
Repairs.
Of repairs. Now go help. Person where we help. Can't scatter everywhere. Can't put inside expenses.
You can imagine.
This is the reason why some people don't like to do good.
And you know, say the people will even help them because now couples where then they try help homeless people. They say they want to do something nice for people for Christmas. Do you know, say this couple they go ask the reception people say, I beg, can we stay only one night? Give us the remaining of the money. Then they say no. Say that their goodwill offer what then they do for them that they have to stay in the hotel. My brother, they scatter everywhere.
Before they finish for that time, they scatter everywhere, turn upside down. See, poverty, poverty no be really say money no do your handle.
Now mentality.
Some people poor for mind.
For all I care, they may be drug infected. They may be doing drugs because I mean, why?
What will make you?
Why, in your right sense of mind, why they won't even come on the TV? When I want the TV on.
It be like they want it because the way the whole move say go. Well, because as it be like this now. different things there for inside that room. Cigar, this and there everywhere.
That's what I'm saying.
You know,
that's what I'm saying.
Different rubbish.
But
The
they say they
rock
don't hire.
I mean. But any which way, this, like I talked earlier, this kind of thing they make some people know they want to do good for people. Because, you know, but at the end of the day, you know, you wait there outside there, where maybe this kind of thing they do for mind, say, that is not the reason why I don't like to do good. No start to do good. You understand? Just to do your
See,
good.
they even break the window of the hotel. For what?
This thing passed on my eye.
Then they fight.
Maybe not before they be couple. Maybe they try those Jangolova moves, you know.
Now you break window. My brother, keep your Jangolova moves.
What? Chandelier.
Really?
Oh.
Wow.
Swingy.
Wow.
Do you know who I am?
Wow.
Superman.
Hey.
No. So maybe they go play rough play anyhow.
No problem. This is a very violent Laloviolo.
Yes.
Anyways, we're gonna go on a break. When we come back, we'll give you the part 2 of
Yan the Yan. Keep doing good though. No stop to do good. God going to pay you.
This ball no go enter.
This year you go score your own goal. You no go pass you by.
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 Pass you by, 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 pass you by. Oh God.
Oh no.
Our sink is special.
Oh, sink. Yeah, you understand.
We have a sink that is designed basically for only 2 of us.
Yeah.
I mean, if you try to break this sink, you will be engulfed. You'll be consumed.
Don't try to break the sink.
You'll be absorbed. You'll be swallowed. You'll be dismantled inside the sink.
It's a sink.
Yeah.
It's a sink.
Yeah.
It's a sink.
This is a perfect example of we are good together.
It's not a bedroom.
No, it's not.
It's only a sink.
It's a sink.
It's a sink. Yes, a sink.
Yeah. Back to the matter. Open and close. Touch your toes. Let me give you this gist. You be Reban? You be Reban? I be waiting for that person to sing that Reban.
I don't say you don't cast. No, actually. Okay,
Waiting be name.
Ray Charles.
Ray Charles.
Not the gawk.
Okay,
Not the gawk. See yourself. See, you know they believe me. Say I don't correct the thing. I see just jump apart like say. Tell me side correct. Tell me side correct.
You try.
Not the gawk like
this. They don't Ray Charles. There's a Ray.
Talk your talk.
Anyway, Patti LaBelle, una sabi I'm 71-year-old singer, we get banned. So according to that.
Lady Mama Lady. Let's sing that song. Lady Mama Lady.
Patti, 71-year-old. You know, gist have come to us.
Bang,
Now you
bang.
understand? Her 41-year-old drummer.
Bang,
Aha.
bang.
They are end back to the matter. Open and close. Patti touch your toes, baby. Oh yeah. You understand? So Patti and her 41-year-old drummer. 2 of them are having a tete-a-tete. Now, the thing is that she be one hide them. But because people talk, say they never see Patti happy like that in a long time. You know, when you are in love, you cannot really hide it much. You can't really hide it much.
You'll be glowing on your skin.
Yeah.
You'll be showing in your your passion.
Your mitochondria will be showing in your head.
You do
so that's 2 of them.
Yes.
You understand? She says that she enjoys his company. He made her broken heart. You understand? He made her feel at ease. And then he get vast experience of music. So when they sit down, apart from I love you, they have things to talk about.
Yeah.
They are 2 mature people with no waiting them they talk about.
41.
And Gist don't even come talk, say, even the man himself, say, Gist don't have him say he's used to dating older people, according to Gist. I mean, say, now in Fave. 9 type.
40.
He likes older people. So Patti.
You
understand? Patti and a 41-year-old.
At the age of 71.
Very strong mitochondria.
Patti LaBelle.
Yeah.
71. She go do. Oh yeah. When the girl come,
Actually, you know, say na her drummer. So na that when
yes, 9 BD.
na the attraction be that.
Yes.
That
say wow, I love the way you hit the drums.
I love the way you do
I love the way you drum the drum, baby.
Hit the drum like that.
Drum.
Hit my drum
Drum
that
it
way.
on me. Drum it on me.
You can drum it on me. You can drum it on me. You can drum it on me. You can drum it on me. You understand that?
Yeah.
Now in there they do. Yeah.
That's not be
Now your offer.
Now that be
Hey.
oh, Patti.
Patti.
71.
Yeah.
And 41.
It's okay.
How many aging difference?
It's really just a number. It's okay.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
I look like my
any
mom.
which way. You look like what?
I look like my mommy.
Like your mommy. Before uncle, you want
Right
resemble?
now, I look like my
Now your
mom.
neighbor you want resemble. Oh yeah, public service announcement.
Hello.
I go read it.
Yes.
I go read it. Dr. Barrister Mrs. Uju Nwogu.
Okay.
Will be the Honorable Commissioner for Information, Culture and Tourism. Don't come and talk say, Nigeria, so make una dey very, very careful. Bird flu don dey show for some kind area back inside Nigeria. Please, the Anambra State government don't alert members of the public about the resurgence of avian influenza, what they call bird flu, for some states across Nigeria. So this disease where they associated with birds, and I say bird and even chicken and all those one fowl. Bird flu, where it transmitted from bird to man. Bird flu can be transmitted through direct contact with infected birds or poultry materials. So now they say the symptoms now fever, sneezing, cough, diarrhea, trouble breathing, general ill feeling, muscle ache, runny nose, sore throat, and plenty other ones. So if they get any of these symptoms, go see your doctor now. So members of the public, they don't announce, give them say, come, they advise you now, maintain personal hygiene. And make sure so now wash your hand with soap and clean water after you touch any bird or poultry product. You can also tell people the way they arrange poultry. Say, I beg, we'll make you take care of the environment and make sure say if you see any fowl or any bird we don't form sickness, we not go meet veterinary clinic people. Make them arrange that particular matter. Come check whether this bird flu don't come there, come they worry your birds them. And on the final P, they say all veterinary officers say they don't also make announcement, give them say from now. Make them go they do surveillance and sensitization visit, particularly to live bird markets them, whether they sell bird or whether they sell fowl or chicken or anything, to make sure say they survey everywhere, say this bird flu not they worry for their own area. This one a general call to everybody. Plus human beings they want way now you they go buy you, plus people that will get poultry, plus people that will supposed to go to check people will get poultry. Everybody
be careful.
Be careful.
Another thing when I go talk be say, and again, when you buy your chickens, please I beg you, cook them well. Cook them well. Cook them thoroughly.
well.
Even eggs. Cook them well.
Cook 'em well.
Somebody like me, I feel use egg chop anything. If you give me okra now, I go use egg chop them. I feel use egg chop anything. I take God name beg you. Because once beaten,
twice the shy.
once beaten,
Twice the shy.
you see this kind of one, there's no need to elaborate on it.
No.
A word they say is enough for the wise.
And now they thief foul. Now they thief foul. You can go and thief to your detriment. Just go jump fence, like we will thief foul that year. Yes, I was also a foul thief.
To your
To detriment, nah.
Why are you like
I've been
this?
foul thief before. One of my neighbor that year for those states, they get 3 hot, fat, big, white fowl. They call the fowl allergy. Allergy 1, allergy 2, allergy 3. We just wake up, say allergy turn to 2. Wake up and now they say allergy turn to 1. Now say that last one,
It's not-
now we must arrange that one.
It's not a
So
single
one
allergy.
night we just climb tree, see where allergy 1 they sleep for side tree. Now we pluck am.
Allergy 1.
By morning allergy 1 don't go. Yes, sir. So for those of you that thief foul, don't go and thief to your detriment.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. It's a very, very bad thing.
Because only one thieving can lead to many loss of lives,
Yes,
all right?
yes.
All right, give us love the love before we wrap up the show. Don't forget, so if you follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us for Instagram at Wazobia TVNG, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy, including facebook.com/Wazobia Paddy. Individual Twitter handles at Mayowa Lambe, at Funny Ogbolo, and on Instagram at Mayowa Eku. Bye. You can now go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you.
That's
Keep
the end
yourself
of the
safe.
show.
We
Let's
love
go.
you. Everything. If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.